Creating a quiz in Scratch, a beginner-friendly coding platform, is a fun way to combine programming and interactive learning. Here's a concise guide. Create a new project. Log into Scratch and click Create to start a new project. Design the stage. Customize the stage with a backdrop relevant to your quiz theme, such as a classroom, game show, or any creative setting. Choose and design sprites. Create or select sprites to represent the quiz elements. You might use an animated character as the host or icons for answer choices. Coding the quiz. For each question, use Scratch's code blocks to program how the quiz functions. You will need code blocks for displaying the question, providing answer choices, checking if the answer is correct, keeping score, advancing to the next question, displaying results at the end. Use variables. Create variables to track the score, current question number, and user's answer. Update these variables as the user interacts with the quiz. Sprites interactions. Code your sprites to respond to user inputs, such as when the user clicks on an answer choice. Feedback and progress. Provide feedback after each question to let the user know if they answered correctly or incorrectly. Use broadcast messages to advance to the next question. Completion screen. Create a completion screen that displays the user's score and possibly offers a chance to restart the quiz. Testing and debugging. Thoroughly test your quiz to ensure it functions correctly. Debug any issues you encounter. Sharing. Share your quiz with others on the Scratch platform so they can play and learn from it.